Hey little artist! Do you want to draw a super cool fighter jet plane and color it with the rainbow? Let's fly into fun and get started!
Yay!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and your paper. Let's go! First, let's draw the long, tall body of the jet. Now add a curved cockpit window in the front. Awesome job! Let's draw the wide wings on both sides. Zoom! Our jet is looking powerful. Great job! Now let's draw missiles under the wings to make it look like a real fighter jet. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
It's time to color. Here are the colors we'll use, our beautiful rainbow colors. Say them with me while we color. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow, that's so bright and fun. Great work, little artists. Your fighter jet looks amazing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more colorful drawings. Hi, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw an awesome rocket ship blasting off into space. Are you ready to fly?
Yay!
Let's start with our black marker. First, draw the tall body of the rocket. It's like a long oval with a pointed top. Great job! Now, draw 3 fins at the bottom of the rocket, 2 on the sides and 1 in the middle. These help the rocket zoom through space. Let's add a round window near the top, so the astronauts can see the stars. Now draw the flames shooting out of the bottom. It looks like a big burst. That's the rocket taking off. Awesome. Now draw some small stars and tiny circles all around the rocket. We're in outer space. On one side, let's draw a cool ring planet, just like Saturn. Wow, it looks amazing. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make it pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color our rocket. Let's take out our rainbow color pens and color together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Don't forget to color the stars and the planet too. Whoa! Your rocket ship looks amazing. Thanks for drawing with us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings.
Yay!
See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.